Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the new GPA website, Grummanpilots.net. We've changed the theme a little bit. We're on a professional hosting site, so we don't have to deal with a lot of issues. We're tuning to performance right now, so stay tuned while we talk a little bit more about the fun we're having with the new website.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
And while we're here on the home page, we'll take a look at a couple of things. We have a picture right there from Red Deer, the big thank you we did for everybody, for our sponsors and everything else. And then from the Dayton convention, there's Luann and I in the rocking chair and all the people for the group photo. And of course, I want you to remember that the GPA is all about fun, and there's Matt and Lynn and Robert at Oshkosh doing just that. Then we have an about page, tells you a little bit about who we are, especially when you click on the button to actually get it. But the rotating headers you see in the pictures change, and it just tells you a little about who we are, what our mission is, and everything else. Then we also have that banner across the top warning you about the Grumman Pilots Association website being hosted by Grumman Parts. They are both to be avoided, ladies and gentlemen. And then we have a contact page. Again, you notice the rotating header, so you can reach out and contact whom you need. We have a fax page for local stuff, and that picture right there is from Sun River in 1995. We also have a forum, and membership is required to participate in the forum, but once you're a member, you can contribute all you want to that. We have an info page, which also has some other pages behind it. But again, rotating header for you. We have a register page where you go to register, become a member of the website. We have a login page so that once you're a member, you can log in. We also have YouTube videos, and we'll be showing the same videos on this website that require a membership to support the channel on YouTube for Grumman Pilots. And we have a couple of different membership levels. We have a GPA member. We have a founders level. Then we also have our gatherings page, which is where we host our events and stuff and our fly-ins. And on the events page right now, we have the fly-in that's coming up in 3 weeks for lunch. We have a parts sale next month in September. We're going to have a hangar party in October. And that'll be nice with the radiant floor. We're going to have a spring clean next spring, and we're going to have a meeting at Oshkosh next year. So that's up and coming. And then, of course, we have the perennial favorites with the company store. You can buy a lot of different items. Some of the items have subcategories like hardware. When you go to hardware, you can buy the nuts and bolts and washers you might need for a project. But we also sell some kits, like the cotter pin kit. Gives you 2 for the mains and 1 for the nose, because you have to do those every year at annual. We have an external stainless steel countersunk screw kit. We're going to be coming up with some other hardware kits for like changing all the hardware in your fairings, both the nose and the main. And then, of course, we have the real perennial favorite, the Shop Monkey shirts. They're available in denim and polo, as well as t-shirt and a variety of colors. So again, those are in the store. We are going to be working on the inventory this weekend for making sure that all the sizes and all are correct. And then, of course, we have the Founders patch and the GPA patch available in the store. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's a little bit about what's going on at Grumman Pilots on the website. We hope to see you there. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching, and have a fun day with your Grumman. Let me just close out with one other thing here on the home page with that rotating header. This is a picture that Matt and Lynn sent me from last year when they were up at Oshkosh with all the rain and everything and drying everything out. Thanks, folks.